I'm John Conti-Ramsden, Director of the Knowledge Centre for Materials Chemistry, which is a business unit now hosted by one of the 7 high-value manufacturing catapult centres, CPI, the Centre for Process Innovation. So I run this network organisation which delivers collaboration between companies and universities in development of new materials. I think it was about 5 years ago I started. It's been a real enjoyable experience, I have to say. It's a great opportunity to get to see people from across the sector who I know, but the really good thing is to meet some new faces and hear new stories coming out across the sector. It's been great to see the growth in activities in the battery supply chain in the UK. There's some really great innovations going on in the UK at the moment in terms of materials, electrodes, battery design, the whole package. A good understanding and awareness of the market and a well thought out plan to bring it all together. The more challenging piece is how it fits into market development and the plan to get there in terms of all the things that need to be done to develop a business. I do think this year it is, people will need to think about how they want to project themselves in this Zoom environment and engage with the panel. The funding environment is going to be very different now than it was, even a year ago. And I think there are upsides and downsides to that, because if you look at market valuations of companies in the clean tech sector, for example, they're getting a lot of attention right now. Now I think there's a greater recognition in the value in a more sustainable product. So that's changing that commercial opportunity landscape very significantly compared to where it was 25 years ago. I'm not saying it's not still commercially challenging, it always will be, clearly in a very competitive business world, but I think the landscape is changing in terms of the regulation and the acceptance of value in products and how they're perceived by consumers in that sense.